You're scrolling on YouTube. Suddenly, one thumbnail makes you stop. You look at it for just 1 second. Curiosity hits, and you click. What was in that thumbnail? What made your brain say, "I need to watch this"? Today, we're going to design a thumbnail using those same high-level curiosity triggers. You simply won't be able to ignore it. Let's begin. First, we will take a dark background because it pulls the eye directly to the focus point. Next, we'll add a blue light effect on the dark background because light naturally attracts the human eye. When we add blue light in the right area, we guide the viewer's focus exactly where we want it. Now, we'll place a wow reaction face in the center, holding a smartphone because faces grab attention instantly. When someone shows a strong emotion, surprise, shock, excitement, we automatically want to know why. After that, we'll add glow effects on the left and right sides because glow creates visual energy. When the sides are glowing slightly, the viewer's eyes are naturally pushed toward the middle. We'll add an estimated revenue, $1 million card on the right side with a meta icon because numbers grab attention instantly and create curiosity. Next, we duplicate the revenue card 2 more times. Finally, we'll add the text, Meta Reach Hack, 0 to 1 million. Because this text gives direction, 0 to 1 million shows transformation. It tells a success story in just 3 words. It makes people think there's a hidden shortcut or strategy inside. At the end, we'll add the meta icon and apply motion blur. Congratulations! We've created a thumbnail that's not just eye-catching, it's scroll-stopping, engaging, and impossible to ignore. Stay tuned for more exciting thumbnail design videos. Thanks for watching.